And start recording. Welcome sa mga taong walang remorse sa buhay. Welcome sa isang reaction video na gagawin natin. Mga taong walang, mga no remorse sa buhay. Welcome kayo dito. Okay, so may panonoorin tayong video. Ito yung video na nangyari noong 2012 pa to, 'di ba? So, 'di ba, sinabi ko naman sa inyo, yung video na to yung mga taong walang pinapakitang remorse na sa mga ginawa nilang krimen, okay? Kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong video, subscribe kayo dito, No Remorse TV, subscribe button. Ayan, tapos paki-like din po, tsaka paki-share. So, ito, nangyari po tong insidente na to nung 2012 sa Chardon School sa Ohio. So, etong lalaki na to ay walang habas na namaril ng mga estudyante. And, kahit nandyan na siya sa husgado, he's still showing no remorse. Panoorin natin.
As TJ Lane walked in, he was executing his plan, taking off his button-down shirt to reveal this, a white T-shirt with the word killer scribbled on it, showing it off with a smug smile on his face.
Astig, di ba? Ano kayang gagawin nyo pagka kayo nasa kalagayan ng magulang ng taong pinaslang niya?
Wore one like it the day of the shootings. Parents of the victims called Lane a monster, a pathetic excuse for a human being, and wished him a slow, torturous death.
Dito natin makikita na lahat ng tao, kahit sabihin mong anong buti ng loob mo, lalabas pa rin talaga yung galit mo pag nakaharap mo yung taong pumatay sa anak mo. 'Di ba? Kita mo anong sabi nung nanay?
A pathetic excuse for a human being, and wished him a slow, torturous death.
Wish him a slow, torturous death. 'Di ba? Tignan niyo yung reaction nito. Tignan niyo yung reaction nito.
I hate you for the pain you've caused, Nick. You chased him down the hall and fired the last bullet that paralyzed him. Why? Why did you do it? Why?
Throughout their statements, Lane just smiled, and at one point even raised his middle finger to victims' families. And his statement to the court, just too vulgar to say.
Well, it was a very difficult statement to hear and to see its effect on the families. I mean, I don't
Hindi, no? Siya pa yung may pinagmamalaki, no?
think anyone could say anything different.
The brother in the courtroom and that did this was not the brother I knew.
Yung kapamilya niya mismo. 'Di ba? Parang hindi na siya yung kapatid ko na kilala ko dati.
Lane's sister Sadie spoke after the sentencing, remembering back to that day at Chardon High School when gunshots rang out and kids ran for cover. She was one of them, hiding, not yet knowing.
Sitting in that room in shock as we all comforted one another.
Nandun pa yung kapatid niya nung namaril siya.
I heard a police officer outside of the window say that they suspected TJ Lane. When those words hit me, I shook and cried and denied that all this could be true.
6 people were shot, 3 killed. And the city of Chardon has never been the same.
You will never, ever be in my thoughts after this. Never. My family.
Tangina, no? Kayo mga guys, anong gagawin nyo pagka nakaharap nyo yung pumatay sa pamilya nyo o sa anak nyo? Tapos ganyan lang yung reaksyon, anong gagawin nyo?
Family will move on, not you.
Shit. Wala lang. Grabe, no? Tama, hindi tayo nag-stop po. Tangina, nakakagago, no? Grabe. Grabe, no? Nakakagago. Kayo mga mga taong may remorse. Mga ka-remorse natin. 'Di ba? Anong gagawin nyo pagka nakaharap nyo to? Na ganyan lang, tatawa-tawa lang sa harap nyo. Pumatay sa anak nyo, pumatay sa mahal nyo sa buhay. Ano rin gagawin nyo? Paki-comment nga po kasi ako hindi ko talaga masagot dito eh. Baka pwede i-comment nyo. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung gaano ka-brutal. Kasi okay na rin siguro na makulong ako o matorture ako o may paghiganti ko lang yung anak ko. Diba? Yung po yung purpose ng paggawa ko ng channel na to para ipakita yung mga ganitong tao na may mga walang ya. Diba? Siguro dadating tayo sa pinaka-point kung bakit ko to ginawa yung channel na to. May intindihan nyo eventually. Okay? So, yun muna mga taong mga kaibigan kong may remorse. Mga ka-remorse natin dyan. Ang sama naman sabihin ko, no remorse, no? Mga ka-remorse natin na kaibigan dyan. Comment down below po. Don't forget to subscribe. Tsaka like the video. And stop recording.